Today we are going to make a video on a word problem and the struggles of solving word problems and ways how to overcome word problems. So imagine you're writing a test and it's word problems, it's maths, and you think you're gonna get full but you don't. And that's the reason because you have not explained it much and that's why stop prevented you from getting full marks. So here are 7 ways in which you will ensure that this problem will never arise again. And how would you excel at word problems? So number one, understand the question. Always understand the question. Calm down, breathe in, breathe out, take the pencil in your hand, and don't let anything distractive. Forget the exam hall, just imagine it's you. Read the question and just think about it. What does this question say? And just read it twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times, how many times you want to read, just read it. But understand it. You have don't mug it up. Just understand what this question is saying. First, think from which chapter it is. Second thing, which formula should I use? What should I do? And so that's how you will actually understand the question. Number two, use logic. If it's given simply like exponents or averages, then you know what formula you have to find. Because if exponents are something like this plus that equals 3, and then this 32 and 8 are given, you know what to do. If some scores are given and an average is given and there is an x, you know. If some scores are just given and you have to find the average, arithmetic mean, divide that by that number, you got it. So you have to use your logic, you have to use the brain, you have to use the logic in order to identify which formula should I use to answer the question. Number three, write given. The given part is so essential. It actually does carry marks. You have no idea. Given, it has two reasons. One, I already said it carries marks, and two, it also it is also for the better benefit for you, because what it does, it just simplifies the question, makes it 1,000 times more easier to think and to analyze and to understand. And you can write the answers faster because then you have the value, just select the proper formula, substitute the values and just get the answer. You're done. Then number four, write the statements. For example, if you're doing an expression question, and if you have to write the things, if you have written the given but you have to write the next step, substituting this value for x, y, z, whatever. So substituting this using arithmetic mean for solving this question, whatever you have to use, just write it so that the invigilator knows that yeah, the person knows about the method. And so yeah, it is a pretty good thing for you. Number five, use parentheses. Parentheses, the brackets are very important. For example, if you're doing triangle congruency and you have written things, for example, some sides they are equal by anything, but how? If you just move ahead, the invigilator is like, yeah, you know how you know the answer is correct, but how did you even reach to that answer? Why have you written this? The why and the how is the parenthesis. The parenthesis basically explains, so these sides are equal by whatever, that they are already either given in the question or you have proven it in some other way. That's geometry. So you have to use the brackets, guys. This is the number five topic, parenthesis. It's very important. Use the brackets, guys. Please do the explanations. It is very good for you. Next, do the multiplication and the division. All teachers in the world ask for proof. How did you reach this answer? How did you even get there? And so that is why you have to show these. Even if you know the answer, just do it, man. what it's going to take you only what 5 minutes maximum to get the multiplication and the division. And it's also beneficial for you. The invigilator is like, yeah, I seen the answer, I've seen how the answer was derived from the two numbers. That's beneficial for you. And then last, number 7, write the concluding statement. Write the therefore. The therefore is the 3 dots in the triangle shape. Therefore, you have to write this statement. It is so important. It is the conclusion that the average of these scores is this. The the answer to this equation is this. The two triangles are congruent by this rule, that rule, whatever. But you have to write it. You have to write the conclusion. It is absolutely essential. And so now I'm actually giving the conclusion. So therefore, now that you're using the 7 ways, you will actually excel at word problems. And it is also for the benefit of you, because what is happening, you are understanding the question yourself. You are writing this a lot faster because your mind is more clearer, and it is also very helpful for you to get those marks. And so I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and bye.